Whoa, this pandas data frame is amazing. Except for that one data entry right there. Curse you, little entry. Well, today I'm going to show you how to edit a single entry in pandas, and this tutorial will be very quick, so hang on. Okay, so let's start by importing pandas as PD. Now I'm going to read in a data frame that we can use for this example. We're going to read in a CSV file. So data frame is equal to pd.read_CSV of youtube.csv, which is actual YouTube data. So let's do df.dropNA in place equals true and axis equals 1. So what I'm doing there is I'm just dropping any columns that have nans in them just for the sake of this example. So here's our data frame. We have a month and an hours and an index column. So let's suppose that one of these entries is wrong. Maybe it's the wrong data type, maybe it's just the wrong number. I don't know. Let's just say that 19 on December is incorrect. So what we're going to do is type df.at row 5 column hours. So row 5 was associated with December. We can set that equal to whatever we want. So let's say 8080, and let's look at our data frame once again. And there it is. This entry is now 8080 on row 5 column hours, where up here on row 5 column hours it was 19. So you can set that equal to whatever you want, whether you're just changing the data type by setting it equal to itself, cast as a float, or some other data type, or you can set it equal to a string, whatever you need to help this data frame be a little bit more clean. So there you have it. That is how you can edit a single data entry in Python. Please consider subscribing for more Python video content.